Let me tell you something I wish I had learned 10 years ago. Money mistakes aren't always about numbers. Sometimes they are about you, your personality, your habits, the emotional wiring you don't even know is running the show. I used to think I was being smart by waiting for the right moment to invest. I will read, research, scroll through finance forums for hours. But I never acted. I called it being responsible. But the truth is, I was simply scared. And that fear cost me years of growth. Most people never realize your biggest financial mistake isn't the economy. It also isn't inflation. And it isn't even your job. It's your personality. And it might be bankrupting you. Today, we are diving into 6 financial traps tied to specific personality types, the kind you don't even realize you're falling into. So the question is, are you at risk? Let's find out. Number 1, the overthinker, the analysis paralysis pitfall. You crave control. You want every detail, and you tell yourself, I'll invest once I know enough. I'll start that business after I finish researching. But the market doesn't wait. This was me. I opened 20 tabs comparing stocks, ETFs, then closed them all because I didn't feel ready. I told myself I needed to learn more. Just one more thing before I start. But I wasn't learning. I was hiding behind information because I was afraid of losing money. Overthinkers get stuck in the loop of analysis paralysis. You will never feel ready, so you will never start. And while you wait for the perfect moment, opportunity costs quietly bleed your future dry. So set deadlines for decisions. Choose progress over perfection. Your 70% today beats someone else's 100% next year. Number 2, the people pleaser, the generosity trap. You say yes even when it hurts. You lend money to friends you know won't repay. You cover dinner again and again. Because deep down, you fear rejection more than poverty. People pleasers confuse kindness with self-sacrifice. You become the financial hero for everyone else, while your dreams quietly die. But generosity without boundaries drains your bank accounts. So learn to say no without guilt. Budget for generosity, not at the cost of your financial health. Number 3, the impulsive, the lifestyle inflation spiral. You crave excitement, novelty, reward. If there's a pay rise, you tell yourself it's time to upgrade. A new phone, why not? The dopamine is too good to resist. I still remember the day I got my first real raise. Within a month, I upgraded my phone, bought new clothes, went for premium spa treatments. I told myself I earned this, but although I was earning more, I saved either the same or lesser. What started as a celebration becomes a baseline, your new lifestyle, your new comfort. And suddenly, your income goes up, but your savings don't. This is the classic lifestyle inflation trap. And it's brutal because it feels like progress until the bills arrive. So automate your investments before you spend and create rules like example, for every $100 raised, $50 goes to wealth building. Number 4, the risk averse, the security illusion. You hate risk. You save every penny. Your money sits safely in a bank account earning 0.01% interest. It feels smart and safe. But over time, inflation eats your security alive. You're not playing to win. You're playing not to lose. So start with low-risk investments, ETFs, bonds, diversify. Being cautious doesn't mean staying stuck. Number 5, the perfectionist, the worth trap. You want your work to speak for itself. You undercharge because it's not perfect yet. You think, who am I to ask for more? Perfectionists often link self-worth to pricing, and that keeps them underpaid, overworked, and suddenly burnt out. Perfectionists often over-deliver, undercharge. They think if it's not flawless, it's not worth anything. But clients don't pay for perfect. They pay for value. And money doesn't flow to perfect people. It flows to those who ask. So practice raising your rates. Ask for feedback. Accept that done and valuable is better than perfect and invisible. And number 6, the rebel, the YOLO money burn. To this group of people, budgets are boring. Long-term planning are stifling. You want to live now. And sure, you might enjoy your 20s, but will your 40s thank you? Rebels often reject structure, but really, structure is what sets you free. Without it, you are just trading your future for a moment's thrill. So, fix it. Use flexible budgets. Automate the boring parts. Give yourself freedom within limits, but only after your future self gets paid. Every one of these personality types, I seen myself in all of them at different points in my life. And maybe you do too. That's not a weakness. It's a mirror. Once I realized that money wasn't about spreadsheets, it was about self-awareness. That's when everything started to change. So I'm not here to judge you. I'm here to tell you, you can grow past this. No personality is wrong, but every trait has a shadow. And until you see how you might be holding yourself back, you will keep wondering why your finances aren't growing. So tell me, which one are you? Which trap are you most vulnerable to? And what will you do about it? This is your moment to wake up. To see money not as just math, but as a mirror. Fix the patterns, change your story, and get some wow money.